Hello everyone, my name is Savera and today I'm coming to you with my design team project for the Graphics Fairy premium website, and this time I've chosen these particular bundles from the website they're not new, and I've always had my eye on them, and I absolutely love the colors. So these are they feature like chinoiserie type prints, and they're like with beautiful motifs inspired by nature, such as like birds and florals and bright beautiful blue and white colors. And it's a beautiful kit, it's a beautiful bundle, as you can see. I've made this journal, and the color combination of the and comes with flowers as well. So it comes with a combination of yellow flowers, posies. It's called porcelain, posy porcelain, I think it's called, and it's got these beautiful. You can see these teacups and these vases and beautiful flowers and birds, and it's just amazing. I've always loved it. I never got a chance to use it before, so this time I combined it with these envelopes, the covers of this journal. These are made with some vintage envelopes that I had that were in this navy blue color with gilding. So this kind of art features gilding as well. It's an Asian art, I think it's an ancient Asian art. We also have this kind of pottery in Pakistan, beautiful pottery made by our artisans here. And it's the combination with yellow is just beautiful. So I use those old vintage envelopes. I made the covers with those, and then I combined that with beautiful yellow dyed papers. So it's a combination, it's a beautiful combination. I love it. It's yellow and blue, and the yellow that I've used to dye the papers is a very traditional color that we get here in Pakistan. Usually in India, Pakistan, we use it to color the rice, the biryani, and the rice that we make here. So I've used some old yellow pages as well in this journal. And the most interesting thing that I did while making this journal was that I tried my cricket machine, the Cameo cricket that I got here. We usually don't get a lot of crafting equipment here, but I just found it here, and I got it, and it was I just couldn't get it right, and I tried, I kept on trying, and that's why submission of my project got late as well. But I got at last I got these perfect cuts, and I was so excited, so exciting. These are just intricate. Not all of them have been cut with the Cameo, but just the cutouts that I showed you in the beginning, and that are part of the journal pouch that I made. So it's amazing. I just love it. I love the cutouts. They came out perfectly, and the printables. I combined it with another bundle that's called Forget Me Not. Yeah. So it's got a blue theme as well, and I love that kit as well. And it's a very simple writing journal. I haven't decorated it too much, just a little bit of decoration, and just a beautiful combination of blue and yellow, and a shabby look, not very vintagey look. The yellow color here looks very bright in the video, but it's not that bright. It's first I tea dyed it, so the paper itself was like an off-white paper. It wasn't white, and then I tea dyed it, and then I dyed it with this yellow color. It's called zarda color. That's what we call it here. It's zarda color, and it doesn't come out like a bright yellow. It comes out like a orangey yellow, like a dull yellow. It's just that I've edited the video a bit, and it comes very bright. It looks very bright, but it's really nice. It's got a lot of texture, and I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. I don't know if I'll be doing another project, but I definitely use a lot of Graphics Fairy images. I love the vintage looks. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.